Cheers.
Cheers.
We are so excited.
Yeah, we were kind of brainstorming here on what we could do for you guys, like in between our about once a week YouTube videos.
Right, because so much is going on behind the scenes and we want to be able to share it with you guys, but we can't put together that many videos.
Right. There's so much going on, and we have actually come up with something like a membership right here on YouTube.
Yeah, I like that it's all streamlined right there on YouTube. It'll be so easy to do posts, add videos. We actually want to do some lives on YouTube and be able to have more one-on-one conversation with you guys.
Right, because a public live video is out to maybe thousands of people, and it's really hard to get to everybody.
Yep.
So for members only, we will do special live Q&A broadcasts.
Yeah.
Plus you get access to our older ones as well, like our very first one from over a year ago.
Right, and that cool little icon thing that we can give people. So when they do comment on our regular videos, we'll see it right away and you'll get priority comments.
Right, exactly.
I really love that.
We've got bonus video that we have hundreds and hundreds of hours that we just don't have time to edit.
Do I have a say on what goes on that?
Sure. Like when Tree gets the keys for the first time to the RV.
I was wondering why he had a camera. I'm like, why is he recording this dinner?
Right, so we've got some special posts right now under the community tab for members only, where you can see some of those older videos that are no longer public, if they ever were.
Right.
And those were never public.
No.
So.
No, for a reason.
Right. And what else can we offer?
Oh, wow. Well, we want to know where you are located. So as we travel around, we know where your location is, and we can plan maybe a different route to go through a state to be able to meet up with you guys.
Right.
We want to have more of a community, a smaller community that we'll have here, and we'll get to know you.
Yeah, get to know you guys and what your hopes and dreams are and the travel that you want to do.
Yeah, and offer tips, as in like YouTube, to those that want to do a YouTube channel.
Right, we've got a course coming out.
Yeah, get a discount on that.
Right, plus we've got some insider tips. We learn stuff about YouTube all the time. So if you're creating a channel, we can put those tips there only for you guys.
Right, because YouTube is always changing, and we try to stay on top of all those changes, and it takes some research and some time, but that way we can share it with everyone.
Exactly, and RV secrets. We've got a bunch more RV secrets that we won't share publicly on YouTube, or we've been asked not to share them. And the reason being is that if everybody knew, it would destroy that thing. The companies involved would change that if they found out that people found out a hack.
We love our hacks, and we want to share them with you. We do share them with friends and family, or people we do meet personally on the road in real life. We do say, hey, you got to use this. This is awesome. Or do this with this, and they love it, and we're super excited about these things that we want to share with you.
It has saved us hundreds of dollars.
Yep.
And
we really do this on the cheap. People would be surprised how cheap we do this.
Totally.
What else we got?
You know, I think that pretty much covers everything.
Okay.
So if you are interested in joining, just hit that join button right below, and you get access to all of the members only community posts right away. We've got a lot of content on there for you to check out.
Yep. So we will see you there, and welcome to the tribe.
Yeah. Thanks for joining. We'll catch you guys later.
Bye.